What is up, guys? Today I will be showing you guys my 1999 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. It's the one I've been telling you guys that it's a project. It's the one that's pretty much I've invested a good amount of money in, and this is gonna be episode 1. Now, the engine's already in. I should have made that a video, but to be honest, when me and my buddies put that engine in, I had barely got off work. My buddy was working on another car also. He just came by and helped me, so we just wanted to get it over with already. Let me take off the hood, and then you guys will see the engine inside. Boom, so here is the heart. It is a 6 and 7 bolt, 6-bolt block, 7-bolt head. Now, ideally, some people rather just go straight 6, straight 7, but there has been research done, and I mean this car has been around for many years. So some DSM people figured out that a good combo is the 6-bolt block and the 7-bolt head, just because the head flows better, from what I've heard. Now, as for me believing that, I believe it's true because in the Honda world, with the K series, they talk about that same thing. With the K series, they talk about a K24 block and a K20 Z3 head, which is probably the best combo you could do for an all motor build due to the torque that comes in the bottom end for the K24 and the top end for the K20 Z3. As for what's done to the motor, up top of my head, I cannot remember. I bought it off one of my buddies. He told me that it's a semi-built block and the head's fully built. So by semi-built in the bottom end, I think it has Evo 9 rods or pistons, I can't remember. One of those. As for the head, it has 272 cams, and then it has spring retainers, lifters as well. I mean, everybody upgrades those because the notorious tick. Other than that, I mean, it's gonna be pushing good power. It's not gonna be crazy, but you know, good enough to have fun. Last night I was messing around and I took off my power steering stuff, but I still need to take off the lines that are down there, somewhere over here. And then I also took off that annoying evap stuff. I mean, it's gonna be a little cruiser. It's not gonna be a daily, so I'm not really worried about it. What else did I do last night? Yeah, that was pretty much it. I cleaned that up. I still need to clean up a little more. After that, I could throw on my manifold. I could throw on the water piping stuff. I have it all here. You can't really see it, but it's there. This was all the AC stuff I took off. Sadly, no AC. But all that AC stuff may go into the silver GST because that is my daily, and I need AC, especially here in California. California, crazy weather. I'm pretty sure whoever lives here, you guys feel my pain. As for the history of the car, I picked this up last year. Crazy to think that I'm barely working on it. But yeah, I picked it up last year over in Santa Cruz. It's just been sitting outside for the past year. I would wash it here and there. But as for the body, it's in pretty good shape. It doesn't need paint. The previous owner was working on it. He put new bushings and everything, but he also had it just sitting, but in a garage. Way better than I ever did, because I've had it outside. This is the interior, pretty clean. I love it. I love this tan interior. But yeah, guys, this is the 99 GSX that I am currently working on. I will try to make more videos. Every time I start doing something, it's late at night, and I really don't want to make that much noise talking, but we can make it work. Probably make a time lapse, something like that, you know, and voice over it. But hopefully soon, later this week or somehow, I will make another video, but this time I'll be installing the water piping and then intake manifold, and that's pretty much it. That's all I pretty much need, besides, like, you know, obviously the radiator, turbo, and all that. which I pretty much have. Shout out to my buddy. He is hooking it up. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching the short video, and I'll see you on the next one.